Hey guys, quick video because I'm way over time. We got slammed with donations. Here's what's back here still. And in case anybody's interested in the lighting pile. Grant started working on that fan there but didn't finish. Everything from up here sold except for that little craft made. This Minka concept went out today. Still here, went out today. Still here. That went out today. A couple went out today. It sold today. There's some Hampton Days. Okay, gotta run. Thanks for watching.